Location and size. The Great Barrier Reef is 344,400 square kilometres. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of Queensland, and it's one of the 7 wonders of the world.
In the Great Barrier Reef, there is 1,625 species of fish, more than 3,000 species of shells, 630 species of starfish and sea urchins, 14 breeding species of sea snakes, 215 species of birds, 6 species of marine turtles, 30 species of whales and dolphins, 133 species of sharks and rays, dugongs, and much more.
The crown-of-thorns starfish is a threat to the Great Barrier Reef. They eat the fast-growing coral. The crown-of-thorns starfish can suck the colour and nutrients out of the coral, leaving the white dead skeletons behind within just 3 hours. The marine divers remove the starfish or poison them one by one. Each season, over 60 million eggs are laid by the crown-of-thorns starfish. There are just too many to get rid of this way. Scientists are trying to find a new way to kill the starfish without killing the other marine life.
Coral bleaching. What is coral bleaching? Many types of coral have a relationship with tiny algae that live inside coral tissue that produce 90% of energy required to grow. It also gives color to the coral. Coral bleaching is when the tiny algae goes because it gets too hot for too long, so the color disappears. You can save coral bleaching by saving water, help reduce pollution, disposing your trash properly, and plant a tree.
Pollution is rubbish, waste, and other things finding its way into the Great Barrier Reef's waters. It stays in there and floats around, and it kills the animals that try to eat it. We need to start putting our rubbish in the bin and making sure the bin's lid is secure.
Dredging is cutting away bits of the seafloor, then sucking and dumping it somewhere in deeper waters. When an area is dredged, all the animals are killed. Dredging stirs up toxic chemicals, like the ones in heavy metal, which are washed over the Great Barrier Reef, causing damage. There are a number of groups who are asking the government to ban dredging and dumping in the Great Barrier Reef's waters, signing petitions supporting these groups and donating to funds trying to stop dredging in all waters as some of the many ways to help stop it.
Climate change. Car exhaust fumes cause CO2 pollution, and it covers us like a big blanket. The CO2 add to the climate change, causing storms that smash up coral on the Great Barrier Reef. The government is trying to reduce CO2, which will help a bit. Industrialization is affecting the reef. Factories put waste in the reef. It all starts on land, then they make the waste into coal. Then they are putting the coal in the reef, and it's a huge threat to the Great Barrier Reef, and it's killing all the fish.